Hi everyone, welcome to Money Mystery Ideas. Today I'll show you how to transfer USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your SafePal wallet app and log in. Navigate to your USDT wallet. Now tap on Send and enter the USDT amount you want to transfer. Step 3. Open the Binance app, go to your wallet, and select USDT. Tap on Deposit. Copy the deposit address shown on Binance. Step 5. Go back to the SafePal app and paste the Binance deposit address. Select the correct network, like TRC20, to save on fees. Double-check all details, then confirm the transaction. Enter your security credentials if prompted. Wait for the transaction confirmation, which usually takes a few minutes. And that's it! Your USDT is now on Binance. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.